and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can log into your computer without the need of entering the password every time. So right now, I'm just going to log in with my computer password. I'm going to then navigate to, click on Start and navigate to Settings. Under Setting, you're going to look under Accounts, and under Account, you're going to look for signing options. So in the signing options, one of them is the Windows Hello, commonly known, PIN, which is a personal identification number. So instead of having to use the password every time, you're going to use the PIN number. So you click on that, and it's going to ask you to set it up. All right. So once you set it up, once you click on Set Up, it's going to ask you for the computer password. So you enter the password here. Click Enter, and then this is where you set up the number. You can use 4 numbers, you can use 6, 7, whatever numbers you want. But you can also include letters if you want. If you're gonna do that, then you select this one if you want to include letters. I'm not gonna do that for now. I'm just going to set up a 4 number password, and then I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to close this, and I'm going to click on Control L on my keyboard, Control Lock. I'm going to lock my computer. If it doesn't work, then you click here and lock, and this is how it's gonna go. So click here, and then instead of asking you for the password, it's gonna ask you for the PIN. In the event you forgot the PIN, you can also have the additional signing option here, which you can use like for the password, etc. So you click on, I'm just gonna click on the PIN, and that's it. I'm in. So if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have yourself a great day.